Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set due dates on Asana, making your project management a breeze. First off, let's open up Asana. To set a due date, click on the task you want to set a date for. You'll see a box pops up on the right side of your screen. This is your task detail box. This box is important because it's where you'll set your due dates and manage other task details. Now that we've done that, look for the due date field. It's typically located under the task name and description. Click on that field. This helps us because it opens up a calendar where we can select the due date for the task. Next up, choose your date. Click on the day you want your task to be due on the calendar. You'll see that the date is now displayed in the due date field. The reason we do this is to make sure that everyone involved in the task knows exactly when it needs to be completed. Now, let's say you want to set a due time as well. No worries, Asana has got you covered. Once you've selected the due date, click on the Add a Due Time button located below the calendar. This is important because it allows you to specify not just the date, but the exact time the task is due. The next step is to select your time. You'll see a clock appear, which allows you to pick the exact hour and minute the task is due. Make sure to also select AM or PM. This helps us because it gives us a precise deadline, helping to maintain project timelines and keep everyone on track. Let me explain why this matters. By setting due dates and times, you're providing a clear deadline, which is crucial for project management. It helps keep everyone accountable, ensuring tasks are completed on time. Finally, click on the Set Due Date button to save your changes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is now updating your task with the new due date and time. You'll see the due date and time displayed in the task detail box, as well as on the task card itself in the project view. Now that you know how to set due dates on Asana, you're well on your way to managing your tasks more effectively. Remember, setting clear due dates helps keep everyone on the same page and ensures your projects move forward smoothly. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to setting due dates on Asana, the 2025 edition. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.